In this video, I will show you how to contact customer service in Monopoly Go. So let's jump straight into it. So to contact customer service, what you're going to want to do first is actually open up Monopoly Go on your device. Once you've gone ahead and done that and you've logged into your account, what you're going to want to do first is come up to the top right hand corner and press onto the three lines to open up a menu. From here, just come down to the bottom and press onto settings, and that's going to open up a window like this. Now, if you look in the support legal section, you can see an orange customer service button. So what you want to do is press onto that button. And that's going to take you across to a screen like this. So you can go ahead and press onto any of these articles. It doesn't really matter which one, but I'm going to select the top one, which says how can I contact customer support. What that's going to do is open up the article, and all you need to do is just scroll down all the way to the bottom, and at the bottom of the page you can see a red chat with us button. So if you actually press onto this, what it's going to do is load up a live chat, and all you need to do is press the red new conversation button at the bottom, and then you can go ahead and chat to customer service about any problems or anything you need for Monopoly Go. So that is how to contact customer service on Monopoly Go. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.